Escorts. Let's get into management. Rajiv Nanda, Chairman of Escorts, joins us on the phone line from Delhi. Mr. Nanda, good having you. Thanks so much for taking the time out. Can you take us through how the quarterly performance has been? We'll just get in numbers going, but more importantly, the kind of operational performance that you've shown this quarter and how the bottom line has shaped up.
Well, I think in a summary form,
sure.
If we were to review this year, it's been a tough year for everybody. Agriculture has been totally affected by the seasons, the rains, the cropping, etc. And the market has degrown in some areas and grown in some areas. But we are fully at par with the market in terms of its responses. And hence, as a company, we've been able to sustain ourselves at operating profits and sales. But despite the degrowth and the lack of pull from the market, we maintained our overall sales, and we've had a very, very minor growth. But I think, done well to have stayed where we are and maintained our profit. Our EBITDA, on the contrary, has improved.
For the quarter, Mr. Nanda, I mean, it's been a difficult year, I understand, but if you can just give me the numbers that you've done for the quarter, your top line and how much your profit after tax has been for the quarter.
You see, in the quarter, this is current that ended in July, we have done 862 crores compared to 790 the quarter previous to that.
And what about the bottom line, Mr. Nanda?
The bottom line, we have done 38 versus 23. There's an improvement.
There has been an improvement, Mr. Nanda, on both the fronts. And what about your margin picture, and where do you see margins stabilizing for the rest of the year?
You see, our focus is, in growing escorts and profits. We are concentrating and focused on EBITDA. We are changing our prices, not discounting them, despite the toughness of the market and severity of competition. But we are doing the right things, which is protecting our future in creating new technology and products. We've introduced a premium range of tractors of higher horsepower. There's an emergence of that demand. There's some land consolidation, which is going to help. We have introduced four-wheel drive. We introduced an entry-level new tractor. So if we are getting growth in sales, it's by new products. And we have a host of new product offerings which are coming through in the next 12 months. We've connected with an overseas company for technology support. And we are very confident that we'll grow with the market and grow beyond to get a gain in market share.
So, Mr. Nanda, then in light of the weak monsoon, I'd imagine that this time around the tractor demand has been a bit subdued. If you could just give us more perspective on that and tell us what exactly your volume growth guidance is for FY13.
The total growth is going to be in volume no more than 2 or 3%. And just maintaining our levels is satisfactory, but we are trying to create a demand where there is a void of tractor available from competition, and that's new products that we're introducing. As I just said, premium size tractors, and we're even looking at orchard and vineyard tractors. So there's a variety of new markets we're going to open to grow.
Leave it at that, Mr. Nanda. All the best. Thanks so much for taking the time out and joining us.